Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Equinox RS in a Mosaic Black. This one is powered by a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Jumping right in, the first thing you see is our black interior with our lovely red accent leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with the RS badging up top. If we follow our red stitching all the way down, you'll find our power seat controls here on the bottom left. And up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel with red stitching on the wheel as well. If we move on inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below, you'll find our dual climate control zones, and below that, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports. We also have some storage, as well as our wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders, our drive modes, some storage underneath, and of course, plenty of storage here in the middle console as well. Moving along to the driver's side door here, if we take a look, we do have our automatic power windows. And right above that, we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, you'll find our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake and our all-wheel drive settings. Moving along to the steering wheel here, if we take a look, we do have our shifter right behind it, our windshield wiper controls. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, our heated steering wheel, and our menu selector. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control, as well as our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go along with the built-in rear view camera and all the other settings here down below. Up top, speaking of rear view, we do have a rear view mirror camera that you can turn on and off to your liking with the flick of a switch. Up top, we do have our sunroof controls for our full panoramic sunroof. Making our way to the back here, we still have our leather interior black heated seats on both sides. If we take a look, you'll find the controls for those seats here right in the middle to go alongside our 2 vents and our 2 USB-C charge ports at the bottom. Of course, behind each front seat, there is cubbies with extra storage, as well as these seats do retract with the levers up top here. We also have our middle cup holder, and if you pull these seats down, you'll see we have plenty of space and storage when these seats do come down. Checking out the exterior here on the RS, we do have our blacked out grille with our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle, front facing camera, very nice aggressive front bumper here with our LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we have our Continental tires on our 19-inch rims. Of course, we have our adjustable side mirrors with the camera at the bottom, our keyless entry like I mentioned earlier with push to start ignition, running boards up top, small tint in the back windows. And if you make our way to the back here, you'll see we do have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle. And of course, our power liftgate. You'll find it on your keys here. Double tap, or you can do it manually from the bottom of the liftgate itself. Of course, at the bottom here, you'll also find our button right there. Inside, we do have these hooks to make sure you can strap in anything you like. Of course, we have our mats and plenty of storage and space inside. Like I mentioned earlier, these seats are retractable, so you can definitely maximize your space here. Underneath all this stuff here, if we open this up, you'll see we have more storage and space down below. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Equinox RS in a Mosaic Black Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.